Hello, welcome. My name is Gilbert Senyonjo, and I'm a software engineer. I want to teach you JavaScript. Okay, so let's get started very quickly. Okay, first of all, we are going to do some installations. So come to your browser and type in Node.js. Okay, so Node.js is a runtime. You can run JavaScript code. So just come here to the download page, click download. Windows installer, see here, I'm using Windows, so I'm using the Windows installer. Click 64-bit, and it says more applications. Wait. You know, we want version 16, not version 18. So let's look for version 16. Version 16, where are you? So why do I want version 16? These versions beyond 16 have problems. That's that's how I can say it. So we need version 16. So come here to previous releases. So come here, Node.js 16. Okay, here we are. Click releases. Wow. So Node version 16. This one here, times 64 MSI. See here, Node v16 64 MSI. Click there. And it's downloading. So why did I pick 16? From experience, that's the quickest answer. I've worked with Node.js for over 3 years, so I know that the one which is most useful to me is version 16. So it has downloaded. Now click on it so that I can install it. So it's just 30 MBs. It's not big. It's a very small application. Small but useful. So I don't know, it's taking too long to open. Let me click on it again. Okay, nothing. Right, here we are. And okay. Welcome to Node.js Setup Wizard. The Setup Wizard will install Node.js on your computer. Click Next. Accept the license. You can as well go through it. Click Next. So I want it to be installed in this folder. That's the default. No need to change anything. Click Next. Don't change anything. Just click Next, and then install. You want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Okay, doing its thing. All right, finish. So, well done. We've installed Node.js. Let's confirm it's installed. That's funny, right? You've installed, but you want to confirm it's installed. It's like you don't trust what the computer is doing, but it's always good to be sure. So you see here under control panels, under programs and features, we have Node.js. Publisher Node.js Foundation, and version is 16. So when it's installed, it takes up the size of 74. Close. Still, let us confirm that this application is going to work the way we expect it to work. So search for Node.js, and you see this little green hexagon is our Node.js. So just click on it, and that's how we get to the prompt for Node.js. Welcome Node.js version 16. So let us just do 10 plus 20 works. 50 minus 1. I think those answers are correct. 3 times 2. I think that's multiplication is correct. Then division, 10 divided by 3. So we can confirm the thing is giving us correct answers. It can do all the calculations correctly. What else can we see? Can we ask it to do? Squares. 5 to the power of 2, 25. Yeah, I think as far as math is concerned, this program is, we have the right thing. We don't have a counterfeit product, close it. Now search for PowerShell, and this is my PowerShell. Mine is black in color because I installed the developer version, but I'm sure you also have your normal one, the blue one. Oh, like mine is always black. So just type in now here node. I think it's just node. See? So that's another way we can start this node runtime. Control C, click it, Control C twice, and it exits. Okay. Type in node again, right? Then type exit. That's correct now. Type dot exit. See here, dot exit. Enter. And we are done with our first video. We've installed Node.js. Alright, see you in the next video.